What's going on today, gardeners? Today I'm going to share with you how to overwinter your geraniums. First, what you do, just kind of be aggressive with it. I mean, you want to be gentle with it, of course, at the same time, but pick off all the buds and blooms. This may be hard to do, but it is very necessary, as you don't want the plant to try to put in, growth towards shoots and blooms producing seed when you want it to focus on staying dormant. So, and just go ahead, see, there's a bloom cluster right there trying to pop up. Just pop that off, and just kind of go around the entire plant and do the same thing. Like right here, here's a bloom cluster, just pop that off. Nothing fancy, you don't need to get any snippers or anything. And they'll naturally fall off as well. Then what you do, if you have soft soil like mine, just take it by the base and pull up. Shake off the dirt like this, any dirt. See, you have a healthy root system. It's actually a pretty small root system for the size of this plant, which I'm not sure why. And then what you want to do is inspect the roots for any bugs. If you wish to wash off, go ahead. That is another step you can take. And then just let this hang upside down. I'm just going to leave it right here for the next day or two, just for the roots to dry out a little bit, and then I will show you the next step. And this is the second part of the process. What you'll do is you'll trim your geraniums just a little bit, just get them trimmed so they can fit in a box, such as this one here. It doesn't have to be a big box, it can be a small box, and all the leaves will eventually wither away, but as long as you either keep them on their side or upside down, they seem to have a better chance at survival. I will be providing updates throughout these and what to check for every month throughout the winter season, so I encourage you to subscribe to see that. But, just keep an eye out. What you'll do, just keep these in a dark, cool place. Make sure it does not get under 35 degrees, or else they could end up dying, because, they're frost sensitive, freezing sensitive. Just keep them in a box. It doesn't matter where you put them, as long as it's in a decent, not too cold, not too warm location. And just check on them periodically, every couple weeks to every month, and you should hopefully have geraniums come spring ready to rock and roll.